Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share your games on Steam using multiple accounts. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, you will have to make sure that Steam Guard is enabled for both the accounts. Now you can do this by clicking on Steam on the top left corner, clicking on settings, and once you're here, you can click on account and see an option which says manage Steam Guard account security. Once you click on that, the settings will load up and make sure it is not turned off. Any of the other two settings are viable. Once you've made sure of this, you can click on Steam again, click on settings again. And once you're here, click on family. And once you're here, check the option which says authorize library sharing on this computer. Once you do that, you will see all the eligible accounts will be listed here. So make sure you connect this account with your main account. Once you click on this account, now I don't have them, which is why it is not showing up over here, but if you do have a account linked up, it will show here and you can connect that account. Once you tap on that, you will have to log in with the other account and access the game using your Steam library. Just come here, you will see the game shared over there as well. And once you try to play it, an request access email will be sent to the main account. So make sure you communicate well so that you're not getting hacked or anything. And yeah, once you give the access to that other account via email, you will be able to play games. And yeah, this is how you can share games on Steam. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.